Welcome back to IAmCrypto, your go-to channel for everything related to the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Today, we have a fascinating, and somewhat alarming, story from the UK that highlights the intersection of crypto, law enforcement, and regulatory crackdowns. So, buckle up, because this is one news story you don't want to miss. Imagine walking into your local electronics shop, ready to grab a new gadget, and there it is, a shiny crypto ATM sitting in the corner, ready to convert your hard-earned cash into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or your favorite digital asset. Seems like a cool concept, right? Well, it turns out, it might not be as legal as you think, especially in the UK. In a groundbreaking move, UK law enforcement has charged a man with operating an illegal crypto ATM. This might seem like just another regulatory hiccup, but trust me, this case has all the makings of a headline-grabbing legal drama. The man in question, Habibur Rahman, a 37-year-old resident of East Ham, London, was arrested after police conducted a search at an electronics shop in Chatham, Kent. During the raid, officers seized several crypto ATMs, including one that was on public display, right out in the open for anyone to use. Now, here's where things get interesting, or should I say, downright illegal. You see, in the UK, operating a crypto ATM isn't just a matter of setting up a machine and letting it roll. It's a highly regulated activity, and since 2022, it's been completely banned by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA for short. But that didn't stop Mr. Rahman from allegedly operating these machines without the proper registration, and according to the police, he wasn't just bending the rules, he was allegedly laundering a cool £300,000 of criminal cash by converting it into digital assets. The FCA, which is the UK's financial watchdog, has been crystal clear on this issue. Matthew Long, the Director of Payments and Digital Assets for the FCA, made a statement that should send chills down the spine of anyone thinking of dabbling in the unregulated crypto ATM market. He said, and I quote, "There are currently no crypto ATMs registered with the FCA, so if you're using one of these machines, you could be handing your money to criminals." Let's pause for a moment and think about that. If you've ever used a crypto ATM in the UK, there's a chance that your transaction wasn't just illegal, but it might have also contributed to criminal activities. Now, I don't know about you, but that makes me look at these machines in a whole new light. And apparently, I'm not the only one. While the UK has made it clear that it wants nothing to do with crypto ATMs, the rest of the world seems to be on a different page. Take Australia, for example, where the number of crypto ATMs has skyrocketed by an unbelievable 1,700% over the past 2 years. Yes, you heard that right, 1,700%. And our friends over in New Zealand? They've gone from having 0 kiosks to 157 in just 12 months. That's faster than the rate at which I can spend my paycheck on new gadgets. But wait, there's more. In the US, which is still the Wild West of cryptocurrency, there are currently a whopping 31,843 crypto ATMs scattered across the country. That's almost enough for every McDonald's to have its own crypto ATM. It's clear that while some countries are slamming the brakes, others are hitting the gas pedal when it comes to crypto adoption. But let's not get too distracted by the shiny numbers. The fact remains that the UK's stance on crypto ATMs is a stern one, and for good reason. Research by crypto analyst TRM Labs reveals that at least $160 million in illicit volumes have been processed by the cash-to-crypto industry since 2019. And guess what? Crypto ATMs are at the heart of this industry. They might look innocent, but these machines have become a preferred tool for criminals looking to launder dirty money. So, what does this all mean for Mr. Rahman? Well, as it stands, he's out on bail, but he's due to appear in court on October 10th. The charges he's facing are no laughing matter. Operating an unregistered crypto ATM is a serious offense in the UK, and if the allegations of money laundering hold up, he could be looking at some pretty hefty penalties. But beyond this individual case, this situation sets a precedent. It's the first time someone in the UK has been charged for operating a crypto ATM, and it signals that the authorities are not messing around. The era of turning a blind eye to unregulated crypto activities is over, and it's clear that the UK is leading the charge in cracking down on this underground economy. Now, if we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, it's fascinating to see how different countries are handling the issue of crypto ATMs. In Germany, for example, crypto ATMs are still legal, but they come with a laundry list of regulations. Recently, German law enforcement confiscated almost €250,000 and shut down 13 cryptocurrency ATMs for lacking the correct licenses. The message is clear: follow the rules or face the consequences. In contrast, other regions like Australia and the US have taken a more laissez-faire approach, allowing the industry to flourish with minimal intervention. But as we've seen, this can lead to its own set of challenges, particularly when it comes to preventing criminal activity. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Well, if you're in the UK, it's pretty simple: stay away from crypto ATMs, because they're not just illegal, they're a potential gateway to criminal activity. For those of us who are following the global crypto scene, this story serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing tug-of-war between innovation and regulation. As the world of digital assets continues to evolve, it's clear that governments and regulators are still trying to find the right balance. On one hand, they want to foster innovation and allow the crypto industry to grow. On the other, they have a duty to protect consumers and prevent criminal misuse. It's a delicate balancing act, and the scales could tip in either direction. In conclusion, the story of the first UK charge for operating an illegal crypto ATM is more than just a legal drama. It's a snapshot of the ongoing struggle to regulate a technology that refuses to be tamed. As we watch this case unfold, it will be interesting to see what impact it has on the broader crypto landscape, both in the UK and beyond. And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this discussion insightful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to IAmCrypto for more deep dives into the world of digital assets. Stay informed, stay secure, and as always, happy trading.